I have to make a part two. So anyway, I hit pause and accidentally turned my phone off. Basically, you want to squeeze that down inside there really well. Don't get any on your brake rotor. And honestly, I don't know if I'm doing this correctly, but there's little to no info on these shocks. So I figured this is the best, easiest way to do this. And I thought I'd make a video. I'm just going to slide it back up there, clean it off, and hope for the best. I've already done this side, so this is what it looks like. You know, back in place, all cleaned up. So far, I'm really happy with these forks. Got them for $400 online. I was on a budget. I wanted to rebuild this bike. It's 2007. Went with 27.5-inch wheels, tubeless. What else? Basically, the frame's the only thing on it stock. Dropper seat post. I did add a 203 millimeter front rotor to it and an adapter for the bigger rotor. What else? Let's see. Another DNM product, the rear shock. Thing works so good, man, compared to the Fox that came on this. Compression and rebound really works. Same with these forks. They work good for $400. And newer style rotor on there, still 160 millimeter. Tubeless ready wheels, like I said, or tubeless wheels. Anyway, having fun with it. Got some more parts I'm going to add to it. XTR rear shifter, 10-speed sprocket, rear. Let's see what else, real quick. I went with a single ring up front. Solo drive. It is a narrow wide chain ring. See those narrow wide teeth. No issues at all with my chain falling off. Overall, very happy with this bike. Night and day difference from being basically a performance bike shop package deal with, you know, cheapest parts you can buy on it. 26-inch wheels, some Marzocchi MZ Comp shocks on the front, a cheap vanilla Fox on the rear, 26-inch wheels. I think I've already said that, but overall, I'm having fun. That's what it's all about. I'm on a budget, trying to keep up with today's bikes that cost $3,500 or more. I've spent about $1,000 on this so far, and you know what? I'm happy. All right, have fun riding.